Hey everyone, before we even start with all the modules, this part, besides the introduction to virtual assistant, is very, very important. Okay, self-discovery. It's important that you know where to focus on and who am I as a business and what service should I order. I mean, offer. So yeah, let's start. Okay, I want you guys to go step by step and get a paper and write everything. Okay. Step number one, ask yourself, or let me ask you pala, what's your previous job? For example, ako, okay, I used to be a restaurant trainer. Okay, so ilalagay ko dyan, restaurant trainer. Ayan, okay. Step two, which industry did I come from? Saan akong industry nang galing? Of course, sa restaurant industry. So ilalagay ko dyan, restaurant. Okay. Step number three, what is your specialization? For example, ako, I'm a restaurant trainer for front of the house staff, meaning the waiters, okay, the managers, okay, so sila ang focus ko. And of course, I have to be specific kung anong klaseng restaurant, which is casual restaurant. Okay? Hindi ako pang fast food, hindi ako pang fine dining, casual restaurant. Step 4. Are you confident with it? Confident ba akong mag-train on my own as a service, as a freelancer sa mga restaurant na casual restaurants for, front of the house training? Of course, I am. Because I've been doing this the longest. Konti na lang ang pag-aaralan ko. No? Kaya ko i-offer right away kasi may experience na ako. Diba? Next, do you have the network for it? Absolutely. Because I've been in the restaurant industry for a long time and marami na akong kilala at madali sa akin makakuha ng connections. Or baka mas madali sa akin makonect sa mga business owners, sa restaurant owners. Diba? Is it a profitable? Sorry. Is it yes, is it profitable as a business? Yes. Of course, malaki-laki ang bayad dito, guys, kasi marami din kasi nangangailangan ng service training, no, sa mga restaurant. Who else is offering it? I know a few, and I know importante malaman mo kung ano yung mga current packages nila, ano yung mga programs na ino-offer nila kasi you wanna be better than your competitor. You wanna make sure that you stand out. Okay? So, yun nga yung number 7 eh. What makes you stand out? Diba? Isulat mo dyan. Among the rest or sa mga competitors mo, what makes you stand out? When you get that already, all of those, then you start offering it. Now, this is for people who has a work background already. So, just, apply it sa, sarili mo. No? Pero paano yung mga tao na wala pang work background at all? Let's talk about this, okay? No work experience? Go through the next slides. All right. First, step one. Are you on the creative, customer service, or admin side? Saan ka dyan? Okay, so guys, ito, basic lang to ah. So, for example, nasa creative side ka. Which among these are you confident with? Social media management, graphic designing, copy or content writing, video editing, or podcast editing? Kung hindi ka sure guys kung ano mga ito, i-research nyo na lang sa Online Jobs PH, malalaman mo kung ano yung job descriptions. If you're on the admin side, then which among these are you confident with? General VA, executive virtual assistant, appointment setter, email management, and or bookkeeper. Pag bookkeeper, ito sa mga accounting ito. So, alin dyan ang sobrang confident ka? Or, pag customer service side, it's any task na requires calls. So, kung galing kang BPO at hindi ka pa naman ganun kasawa sa calls, then maybe this is for you. Diba? Anything with calls, customer service rep, cold caller, yung mga yon. Diba? Step 2, research about the chosen service. Research about the chosen service, Online Jobs PH, malaman mo doon, may pagkas ni-research mo dyan, social media manager, may kita mo iba't ibang klaseng job listings and then pindutin mo. Go to 2 to 3 or 4 to 5, ganun, bala ka, 5. And then ilista mo lang, identify the skills to be improved on kasi may kita mo kung ano yung mga required skills. okay, or softwares na kailangan. Yung mga hindi ka familiar with or yung mga weaknesses mo na skills, ilista mo sa papel. At pag nalista mo na ngayon, okay, work on the skills and build a portfolio. It's time to, maybe go for free resources, magpaturo ka sa friend mo, or, invest on courses para, alam mo yon, ma-build mo yung mga skills na kailangan kasi wala namang perfect match eh. Walang perfect match. Okay? So, pagka nilista mo na yung weaknesses mo, isa-isahin mo. Pagka natutunan mo, apply it to yourself, master it, and then build a portfolio. Once you have that portfolio, na-master mo na, na-apply mo na, and then you should be okay already. Sana, at this point, guys, meron ka na or na-identify ka na kung sino ka as a service provider. If yes, okay. If yes, then you are now okay to move forward. At least at this point from now, alam mo na kung saan ka magsisimula. Kung ano yung mga kailangan mong pag-aralan na skills. Dahil after this, sa next modules, pipili ka na. Ano bang klaseng skill or service ang kailangan ko pag-aralan? Okay? Thank you. Good luck. I'm rooting for you and I'll see you guys on the next module. Bye!